Hi everyone, today we're going to look at this car, the Tesla Model 3, and Sentry Mode. Does it work or does it not? We're going to find out right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel and you can message me with suggestions or for help. Watch right now for Mal's Tesla update.
Interesting thing is that I've seen loads of videos where they do stuff and Sentry Mode doesn't work. Now I can't believe that's the fact. I think they're not hitting it hard enough, which is what you would do if you were going to do the damage to the car. So the beauty of this is I have a roof rack, so I can whack it really hard without damage and we can see if it works. So before we see what's going on in the screen, we'll try it out. Watch. So it's now activated it. Yes. Very good. The alarm's gone off, but I want it to go, so I hit it again. Okay, Sentry's activated again, so we'll let it go quieter this time, deliberately, so we can see what's going on. Right, so it's activated, Sentry's on. Hey! Success! Nice, nice, nice. It works. Sentry Mode does work. And it works quite well. The interesting thing is that you have to wait till you've triggered it. If you don't trigger it, it doesn't find it. So you'll have to, like, you walk around the car or you walk somewhere. Once you've initiated that trigger, that's when, if you then hit something hard on the car, it will actually do it for you. And it's very loud, so much so it distorted my mic. Oh, nice one. So yes, it does work, and I suspect that because there is difficult situations where it won't work, but that's only because they're not doing the trial properly. It does work every time, but you just got to do it the right way. And in this case, we found out what it is. Love the fact that even if Sentry Mode doesn't go off, the car alarm goes off. So a couple of incidents, I tried it, and Sentry didn't go off, but the car alarm went off. So that also works. Yeah, it's good. The fact that it's actually recording all the time is enough deterrent for anybody who sees it activated like that. Do not want to be hanging around, especially if it's being recorded there or there on their faces. They'll be gone, hightail out of it. So yes, Sentry is a success. I love it. Like all the things on the Tesla, when they are great, and that is one of them. And it's certainly saved a lot of break-ins for the car. So until the next one on feature 13, take care till then. And give me a list in the comments of what you would think about Sentry Mode. Have you tried it? Has it worked for you? Has it not worked for you? Many other things. Just find out, let me know. Write it down in the comments, and obviously take care for now. I'll look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye.
Thanks for watching Mal's Back talking Tesla. Remember, if you're buying a new Tesla, use my referral code link here, and don't forget to subscribe. It's free.